Hello, my dear students and viewers. Welcome all of you to my online class number 5. Today I am going to discuss uses of preposition part 4. Out of, the preposition out of, its English meaning is from inside to outside. Its বাংলা meaning is ভিতর থেকে বাহিরে. Such as the students are looking out of windows. Here out of means from inside to outside. We use here out of to indicate the meaning of from inside to outside. For this reason we use here out of. Preposition of, the use of preposition of is used to mean the separation from each other. Its English meaning is separated from each other, but Bangla meaning is বিচ্ছিন্ন. For example, we can say that the apple is cut off from the tree. Before cutting off apple from the tree, it was on the tree, but of is used here separated, used here as separation from each other. For this reason cut off of is used to mean the separation. For this reason we use of as the separation of something. Away, preposition away. The preposition away, its English meaning is far from somewhere, but its Bangla meaning is away. Its Bangla meaning is দূরে, দূরবর্তী, অন্যত্র. Such as we can mention the example, go away at once. Go away at once. Away is used far from somewhere. For this reason we use here preposition away. While, its preposition while, its English meaning is at the time of, but its Bangla meaning is যখনই. We use while when two works will be going on or happen, two tasks will happen. We will use while two tasks is going on at the same time. In this case we have to use while. While's English meaning is at the time of. For example, we can say that Mehdi saw a dead cow while going to school. In this sentence there are two words happened. One work is the cow was dead, and at that time Mehdi was going. Two works or tasks happened here in the sentence. For this reason we use here while to mean the time, at the time of. While is used here to indicate at the time of. We use while. Preposition during, its English meaning is in time, but its Bangla meaning is shomoye. Example, we can mention an example such as Rana. Example 4. Rana went to his village during winter. Here during is used to indicate that in time. Used to indicate in time. During is used replacement of in time. During is used instead of in time. Preposition across. The use of preposition across. Its English meaning is passing one place to another place. Angelically. Its Bangla meaning is আড়াআড়ি ভাবে অতিক্রম করা. Not straightforward. When you will pass any way, when you will pass any path or way angelically, in case of that you have to use across. For example, we can say that Meena is crossing a forest. Meena is crossing a forest. Meena is crossing a field. Meena is going across a field. Meena is going across a field. Here across is used to mean the crossing from one place to another place angelically. Across is used passing one place to another place angelically. Preposition thorough. The use of preposition thorough, its English meaning is passing from one place to another place with obstacle. When you will go through a forest or through a field and you have to face obstacle, in this case you have to use thorough. Such as Meena is going through a forest. Here thorough is used to refers to the passing from one place to another place with obstacle. When we go through a forest, we have to face some obstacles or face some problem. So thorough